Israelis taking shelter as air raid sirens went off around Tel Aviv. More than 1,600 people on both sides have been killed since the surprise Hamas attacks began on Saturday. The Biden administration says at least 11 Americans are among the dead, and some may be Hamas hostages as of right now. We do want to warn you, some of what you're going to see in this report is graphic. Here's Natalie Brandt.
Newly released dashcam footage shows Hamas gunmen firing at a vehicle fleeing the music festival in the desert Saturday. Militants killed at least 260 young Israeli and foreign partygoers at the rave, while others were taken hostage. Israeli police released video Monday appearing to show its forces rescuing trapped civilians and wounded soldiers under heavy gunfire in southern Israel. Israel continued to bombard Gaza Tuesday in retaliation for Saturday's attack. The Israeli Defense Force says it has hit more than 200 targets. Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu made clear Israel's response is just beginning.
We will exact a price that will be remembered by them and Israel's other enemies for decades to come.
Last night, Hamas released an audio message threatening to kill a hostage every time Israel bombs Palestinian civilians without warning.
The Biden administration says at least 11 Americans have been killed in the violence so far, and some missing U.S. citizens could be among the hostages.
We have offered assistance in the scope of experts, hostage recovery experts that we'd be willing to have coordinate with Israeli officials.
On Israel's northern border with Lebanon, there have also been deadly exchanges of artillery fire with the Hezbollah militant group. A senior American defense official says the U.S. is deeply concerned about the possibility of that becoming a second front in this conflict. Natalie Brandt, CBS News, Washington.
President Joe Biden and Vice President Kamala Harris are planning to speak today with Israeli Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu to discuss U.S. support for Israel. Well, today